Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all? Today I'm gonna show you my Eid makeup look, so let's get started. First step is to moisturize your skin with a good hydrating moisturizer. After that, I used my Huda Beauty primer. Today I combined my two foundations. One is Maybelline and other is Huda Beauty liquid foundation. Now I use L'Oreal concealer. You can use the concealer on any part of your skin. If the foundation doesn't cover your blemishes and scars, you can use the concealer on it. Now I use the golden shade on my eye palette and blend it on my eyelid. For my crease, I take the brown shadow. I blend it very well. Now I take the darker green shade for my corners. I use the brown shade for my lower eyelid. For nose contouring, you need to be extra careful with blending. I'm using white pencil for my inner eye line. I've written the product's name in my description. I just put the mascara today and I didn't put my eyelashes today because I didn't want to wear them just for today. I applied a peachy lipstick because I don't want it to be too dark. So here's my complete look. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I love you all guys.